I'm going and put your car on Facebook. I'm going and get your registration, and I'm going and tell your wife.
So this is a company car.
You are your wife home with your fucking children, and you up here with the next woman? Sir, what kind of respect is that for your wife?
Sir, I'm sorry, I wouldn't let it happen again. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
And that woman and all, she has any respect for anybody?
Sir, this is the first time, sir. The first time. The very first time, sir.
This is not a fucking first time.
I'm sure I never see this car here before, sir.
I see her here before. You come here to fucking my place.
Sir, sorry, sir. I'll make sure it wouldn't happen again. Sir, let's give her a chance, sir.
I ain't giving you no fucking chance. I'm going and put your car on Facebook. I'm going and tell... is a company car this way parking up with the company? What company it is? What company it is? What company it is? What company it is? Are you going and find out from license office in the morning or no?
So let's give me one chance, please. And it wouldn't happen again. I promise you, it would not happen again. I promise you. If you see it, if it happen again, by all means. Sir, I'm asking you, please. It's the first time, just give me one chance, please. It's the first
How much chance you think your wife got here?
Zero.
How much children you have?
Just one.
One child, right? You have a wife and a child, and you come in here with a woman to park up? You love your wife? You love your fucking wife. Tell the woman in the backseat you love your wife now.
Sir.
If you love your wife, you wouldn't be up here with a woman.
Sir,
you love your child?
Sir, give me one chance, please. One chance. One. All I'm asking for is one chance, and that is one chance. You wouldn't see me here again.
I'm going and find your wife, you know. I'm going and find your wife. Because this is shit. This is shit. This is shit. If your wife was up here in the backseat with a man, you'd like to know that? Eh? You wouldn't like it, but you're doing that.
So just one chance.
You tell her no chance. Let me get your car number there.